Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Insights by Patent Cloud. In this video, we'll show you how to use second-degree prior art and semantic prior art in Quality Insights. Firstly, review the Section 102 and Section 103 first-degree prior art, including the backward and forward citations. Quality Insights automatically extracts the legal basis and the source of the prior art from the prosecution history or IPR records. Next, uncover the second-degree prior art from the backward and/or forward citations. The legal basis here indicates where the prior art is from. For example, the prior art is the forward citation of the 970 patent, which is the backward Section 103 citation of the patent at issue. In the Semantic Prior Art tab, the top 300 US, EP, JP, CN, KR and WO patents are sorted by applicability and ranked by the relevance of the abstract and claims of the patents. You can view from the top of the results to get the most relevant references. Thanks for watching.